Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use a gift card on AliExpress. Open the AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right, and now find section payment. That basically looks like wallet icon. Now we see that we have section cards. Press add new card, and now you have to fill in this form about your card. So we have to fill in card number, name on card, expiration date, and of course your CVV code. Press save button, and now let's go to some item that you want to purchase. For example, this one, and let's check out. Now you need to scroll down to section payment method, tap here, and basically select your gift card that you have entered all the information about. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.